Chapter 9, Worksheet Key. Number 1, Jesse likes skiing, sledding, and to camp. No, that is not grammatically correct. It is not parallel. It should be skiing, sledding, and camping. Number 2, my boyfriend is kind, loving, and honest. Here we have 3 adjectives, kind, loving, and honest. So that is grammatically correct. Number 3, we found Easter eggs in the garden, on the table, and the tree had one. That is not grammatically correct. We found Easter eggs in the garden, on the table, and in the tree. 4, they will ski, and they will be climbing mountains, and they will go sledding. That is not grammatically correct. Number 4 should be, they will ski, climb, and sled. Number 5, Cheryl is tall, with brown eyes, and has a cheerful disposition. That is not parallel in construction. It should say, Cheryl is tall, has brown eyes, and a cheerful disposition. Number 6, Mara bought a canary for her friend that sings beautifully. Here we don't know who sings beautifully, the friend or the canary. Well, being that friend is closest to the sings beautifully, it says that a friend sings beautifully. So that is not grammatically correct. Now we have number 7. While jogging on the sidewalk, Danita was hit by a car. Well, was it Danita that was jogging on the sidewalk? Yes, it was. So therefore, it is grammatically correct. The report, number 8. The report was proofread by Justin lying on the desk. Was Justin really lying on the desk? No, he was not. So that is not grammatically correct. Number 9. A lot of people miss this one. It's each salesperson must have their report completed today. The subject of this sentence is each. Each is singular. Therefore, this there needs to be his or her. Or a. Each salesperson must have a report completed today, or each salesperson must have his or her report completed today. Number 10. The females and the men toured our offices. The reason why that is not grammatically correct, it has to say the females and the males toured our offices, or the women and the men. Those are the ones that go together. Number 11. The waitress brought our drinks quickly. That is not grammatically correct and unbiased because it says waitress. The politically correct word would be server. So it should say the server brought our drinks quickly. Number 12. Celine Cassiano was selected for promotion. That is perfectly fine. So it is correct. Number 13. George Stein, the Jewish accountant, won a prize. That is not politically correct because the fact that George Stein won a prize has nothing to do with him being Jewish or an accountant. Number 14. Additional personnel are needed to build the house. That is correct. There's nothing wrong with it. Number 15. Kim, who is disabled, faces many barriers on the job. That is not politically correct because you do not need to add the who is disabled. Number 16. Jenna's tempered flare when asked about her frequent tardiness. That is grammatically correct and unbiased. If you have any questions, give me a call.